How recover from overeating fast? So recently I had a conversation with someone who ate all the chocolate prepared for grandchildren. She had to replace the chocolate she ate. Let me know if you sometimes eat too much when you go out, or on a weekend, or during the holidays, or on trips. So my client was complaining that she had a cheat meal, which led to a cheat day, which led to a cheat weekend, and now she is struggling because she feels like she's back to square one again. I think most of us have felt that way at one point or another. After that conversation, I was inspired to share a simple shift that can help you break out of that cycle fast. In fact, it's so important to understand, and it will make a massive difference in your long-term success and happiness. Here it is. You are only one workout or one clean meal away from being back on track. Starting all over again doesn't have to be a big production. That's perfectionism leading to self-sabotage. All you have to do is eat a healthy meal, whatever that looks like for you, or make it to your next workout. That's because if you adopt the one workout or one meal away mindset, you are never off or on a program. You are simply living a healthy lifestyle. Your cheat meals suddenly aren't cheats, they simply are meals that contain foods you don't normally eat. They are no big deal. That's because you know that the next meal or the next workout you are back to your regular healthy lifestyle. Not only that, but you can finally stop feeling guilty if you eat something that's not on your plan. Guilt is a complicated emotion. In small doses, it can keep you on track, but too much guilt will poison your mindset, results, and your happiness. Guilt can make you literally feel heavier and make it harder for you to make decisions. It will zap your energy and your ability to concentrate. The worst thing of all, guilt can tell you that you aren't capable of achieving your goals and make you feel like you aren't worthy of good things. Stop living in your past. Past should stay in the past. Those parts of you where you feel broken and ashamed, leave them in the past. Because today is a new day. Do not let your past impact what you're showing up for. What you are showing up for is your life. Forgive yourself and move on. Stop repeating the past. Don't make it a benchmark that you cannot outperform or continue to punish yourself for your past. I am here to tell you to forgive yourself. I had to do this. I have done embarrassing things. This is how we grow. If you feel humiliation, you are not alone. If you feel ashamed, you are not alone. If you feel those feelings, I promise you, we all felt that. But are you going to let that stop you? Even things like investing in yourself because you feel ashamed of parts of your past. You say, I'm not worthy of it. I made bad decisions before. I don't want to do it again. So what's the alternative? Are you going to stay where you are and just keep recreating the past? Forgive yourself and move on. It's time to be the person you know you can be. So put that guilt where it belongs. And always remember, you can start your day over at any time. You are never more than one meal or one workout away from being right back on track. And just make sure that your next meal or your next workout is a good one. So, there is one simple strategy for lifelong success. Let me know if you ever felt this way or if you found this helpful in the comments. And I will see you in the next videos.